Today we're here at the state capitol in Springfield. This event is called Legislative Connections. It is my very favorite event that Illinois 4-H does. I am so excited.
Thank you for being here this morning.
There are around 50 youth here today to meet with legislators and express the importance of 4-H.
Get their support for our 4-H program and just have conversations with them about how 4-H has impacted my future.
We're at the Illinois State Capitol, and it's a very, very busy day because it's near the end of session. There's a lot of bills being finalized on these last few days. So the busyness of this place is crazy right now. We have lots and lots of people here representing all different kinds of special interests. Everyone wants to get their opinion and their point of view over to these reps and senators as much as possible. So we're trying to make this as efficient as we possibly can.
It's really exciting, but you'll have to ask directions once or twice. I think I've got lost 3 times already. All the different rooms between the 2 giant buildings, you can get lost easily. You have to ask.
Of course, it's always busy here in Springfield, but legislators are always so happy to talk to us because we're sharing the story of how 4-H grows our youth.
They recognize us by our green shirts. They know we're coming to bring them some M&Ms and talk about how we are becoming better citizens for the future.
I was scared at first, but my friends kind of forced me into it, and I was like, oh great, I don't want to go. I was so nervous. As soon as I came here, it's one of my favorite events. I got to meet all the wonderful people that I'm still friends with today. I got to meet with my legislators. Everything that I was scared about was gone.
I was really nervous the first time when I was talking to someone, but after that it was like, this actually feels really good. Like the representatives and senators who are like really high up there, they have time for me to come in and tell them like who I am as a person and what I want to do in the future.
It's nice to meet you. I'm from Marshall County, which is just north of Peoria. Some 4-Hers might think that some of the meetings are boring. I think they're very fun. I get to meet with our legislators that directly impact our 4-H program.
I'll tell you a little bit of my 4-H story. So I've been in 4-H since I was 3, well, unofficially.
It is so much more than just meetings. It's making connections with your local legislators and legislators from across the state.
I joined 4-H when I was 10. I just got my first horse, and it was
Of course, I love those M&Ms, my green and white pack. I love seeing the faces of all of the young people. Youth advocacy is very important, especially here in Springfield. I think that it means a whole lot more to legislators and even advocates when they see the future coming to represent some of the most important issues. It shows that we are safe for years to come.
Today I rise to recognize and welcome an outstanding group of young leaders from across the state who are visiting the Capitol as part of the Illinois 4-H Legislative Connection.
The recognition was really awesome. We got to stand up in front of the entire house.
It was kind of like you were a big shot. It felt like you were one of the representatives coming in. It was like you go through all these security things and everybody's like looking at you like, oh, you're part of 4-H. I'm like, yes, and I'm proud to say that I am.
And so these are our future right here, and they are a very bright future for the state of Illinois. Thank you.
Welcome to the Capitol.
Without 4-H and FFA, I would never have been a state rep. This was my background. This is what started me with public speaking. I never had the opportunity to go to college, so these are the organizations that have helped me.
We love 4-H!
When you come with all these kids from across the state, you're making friends. Those friends will be friends for life, and they will be your network, and they will be scattered across the country. And that network will help guide you through in the future. So take that opportunity, join 4-H, and so they can make Illinois a better state.
It is so much more than just missing class for a few days. It's learning how to better communicate with your peers and other authority figures and help you to make connections that will further your path down the road.